Hi there. What a lovely day to be at the market, isn't it?
Hi. Yes, it's beautiful. I enjoy the fresh air here.
Me too. Do you come to this market often?
Yeah, I do. It's a great place to buy fresh fruits and vegetables.
I agree. I like to get my groceries here too. What are you shopping for today?
I need some apples and carrots. How about you?
I'm looking for tomatoes and cucumbers. Salads are on the menu this week.
That sounds healthy. I should eat more salads too. By the way, do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking. Trying new recipes is my favorite hobby.
That's great. What's your signature dish?
I make a mean lasagna. Everyone in my family loves it.
Lasagna sounds delicious. I enjoy baking cookies. Do you have a sweet tooth?
Oh, absolutely. I can't resist chocolate chip cookies.
You and me both. Chocolate chip cookies are the best. Do you have any weekend plans?
Not much planned yet. Maybe a picnic at the park. How about you?
I'm going camping with friends. We'll have a campfire and make s'mores.
That sounds like so much fun. I haven't been camping in ages.
You should join us next time. Camping is a great adventure.
I'd love to. Thanks for the invitation, David. It's been really nice chatting with you, David.
You too, Sarah. Enjoy your day at the market.
Hi there. Nice day, isn't it?
Hi. Yes, it's beautiful. I love the sun.
Me too. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I do. It's a great place to relax.
I agree. I like to read here or have a picnic. What do you like to do?
I like playing frisbee with friends and taking walks.
That sounds fun. I should try playing frisbee sometime.
You should. It's a great way to stay active. By the way, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers. She's adorable.
Cats are lovely. I have a dog named Max. He's very friendly.
Dogs are wonderful companions. Do you bring Max to the park?
Yes, he loves it here. We play fetch, and he meets other dogs.
That must be a lot of fun. I should bring Whiskers here one day.
I hope they become friends. Oh, look, there's an ice cream truck.
Ice cream sounds perfect on a day like this. What's your favorite flavor?
I like chocolate chip cookie dough. What about you?
I'm a fan of mint chocolate chip. Let's get some. Thanks for sharing ice cream with me, Tom.
You're welcome, Lisa. It's been nice chatting with you.
Do you come to this park every weekend?
Almost every weekend, yes. It's my favorite spot in town.
It's easy to see why. I just moved here, and I'm glad I found it.
Welcome to the neighborhood. If you need any recommendations, feel free to ask.
Thanks, Tom. I appreciate it. By the way, do you like to read?
Yes, I enjoy reading. What kind of books do you like?
I like mysteries and adventure novels. Do you have any favorites?
I enjoy science fiction and history books.
Those sound interesting. We should exchange book recommendations.
Definitely. I'd like that. Let's do it next time.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for the chat, Tom. I had a great time.
You're welcome, Lisa. Let's meet here again soon.
Hi there. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Hi. Yes, it's beautiful. I love sunny days.
Me too. Do you take this bus often?
Yeah, I take it to work every day. How about you?
I'm new in town, so I'm still learning the bus routes.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Where are you from?
Thanks. I'm from a small town up north. What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher at the local school. It's just down the road.
That's great. I'm looking for a job around here too.
I hope you find one soon. What kind of job are you looking for?
I used to work in a bookstore, so I'd love to find something similar.
That sounds like a wonderful job, surrounded by books.
Yes, I loved it. Do you have any hobbies outside of work?
I enjoy playing the guitar and going for hikes. How about you?
I like reading books and exploring new places.
That's cool. Have you had a chance to explore our town yet?
Not yet, but I'm excited to. Are there any must-visit places?
There's a beautiful park nearby, and the downtown area has great shops and cafes.
That sounds lovely. I'll make sure to check them out.
Time to go to work. It was nice talking to you, Sarah.
You too, John. Thanks for the chat. Have a great day.